If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your voice chat working effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test your connection by going to System Settings, Internet Test Connection. A stable connection is essential for voice chat to function properly. Step 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, System Update to check for and install any available updates. Keeping your system updated can resolve many issues. Step 3. Use the Nintendo Switch Online app. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app on your smartphone. This app is required for voice chat functionality. Once installed, log in with your Nintendo account and connect to your game session to enable voice chat. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Check the in-game settings for the title you are playing. Some games have specific voice chat settings that need to be enabled. Look for options related to voice chat in the game settings menu and ensure they are activated. Step 5. Restart your devices. If voice chat is still not working, try restarting both your Nintendo Switch and your smartphone. This can help refresh the connection and resolve any temporary glitches that may be affecting voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the voice chat issues on your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.